3 copy back copy machine consists of 2 parts. Mirroring part and copy machine. Let's see the machine operation procedure.
First, we set the fill roll. This is 3 copy base fill roll. We set there. This is outer base fill roll. We set there. And we pour the copy into the hooper. Then we start the machine. First part is mirroring part. This machine uses volume cup to mirror. After coffee mirrored by the volume cup, it will be done to the bed format. Second part is min machine. The fill runs from there through the bed format and becomes the bed. So is the outer bed. After fill becomes bed, will be sealed and cut. This is ultrasonic sealing. This is taking between the legs. This is moving and cutting structure for outer bed. This is conveyor for product output. Let's see the bed. Machine operation parameters are clearly displayed and adjusted on the touch screen. The machine's bolts and structure are gray. Actually couldn't be more gray. Easy for user to do the routine maintenance.